Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Rabbi zidni ilma. Students, today our topic is introducing one lakh. Students, for introducing one lakh, we will first of all make our place value chart. For place value chart, first of all we will write their periods. Lakh is in Pakistani system, and for this purpose we have three periods: ones, thousand and lakh. Ones have three place values: ones, tens and hundred. Thousand have two place values: thousand and 10,000, and lakh have two place values: lakh and 10 lakh. And for this purpose we will have our digit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digit or 6 digit number will be included in lakh period. Student, if we will have one number of lakh, then it will be till lakh place value, and if we will have two number of lakh period, so then we will place till 10 lakh place value. Okay, here we have some numbers. First of all, place them in their place value chart. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digit numbers. So we will put them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till lakh. Okay, now place them 4, 5, 2, 0 and 8 and 9. Now you will give the name of this number in lakh period, because we have only 4, so you will write 4 lakh. I have write it here 4 lakh. And in thousand you have two numbers, so you will write the name as 52,000. So I have write it here 52,000. Then in 100 column we have no digits, so we will skip 100 place value and write the last numbers which we have in tens and ones place value, that are 89, and here we have write it here and 89. So our name is 4,52,089. And when we will have two numbers in lakh periods, then we will start placing them starting from 10 lakh. So you will start writing from 10 lakh, 44, 62, 0, 8 and 9. Now we have here in two numbers in lakh period, so it will be 44 lakh. So here we have right here 44 lakh. Two numbers in thousand make it 62,000, 62,000 and 89, because we don't have here again any number in 100 column. And student, you will put the commas according to their periods. In lakh we have two digits. In first number in lakh we have one digit, so I have put the comma after one number. In thousand we have two, so you will put the comma after two numbers. And at last we will remain three numbers of ones column. Next we have two numbers in lakh column, so we put comma after two digits. 2 in thousand, so after 2 we again put comma, and three numbers will remain for ones column. In this way you will put the commas and giving the numbers of name according to their place value. Now students, you will learn if you will have some numbers in words, how you will write them in digits. First number we have 42,084. First you will make your place value chart. Again, periods on the top and place value on the downside. Here you have 42 in thousand column. So you will choose your thousand column and write the numbers in thousand column. We have two numbers, so you will write in one in 10,000 and other in thousand column. So you will write here 42,000. And in 100 column you have no number, so you will write here 0. And at last we have 84, so you will write 84 in tens and ones column. And you will put comma according to their periods, because in thousand we have two numbers, so you will put one comma after two numbers, and three numbers of ones column will remain here. Next we have 6,900. In lakh column we have only one number 6, so you will write it in 6 lakh, not in 10 lakh, in lakh column. So you will write here 6 lakh. And then we have 967. We don't have any number of 10,000 or 1,000 place value, so you will write here 2 zeros. And at last we have 967, so you will write 9 in 100 and 67 at last in tens and ones column. And put comma according to their periods. After one digit we will put 1 comma, after 2 digit of 1000 we put 1 comma. And last we have 30,609. Again we have two number of 1000. So you will start writing from 10,000, 30,000. Here we have 6 in 100 column. So you will write 6 in 100 column. And at last we have 9. So we have not have here at 10th place value number. So you will write last number in one's column 9. So now you will put commas according to their periods. In this way, students, on your page number 8, you will do question number A and B in your notebooks. Inshallah, we will meet next with our next lecture of expanded form and ascending order. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.